Welcome to the Comm Systems channel. Today, we're diving into why fiber optic cabling is the safer choice for high-speed internet. In our digital world, reliable internet isn't just about speed, it's also about safety and security. Fiber optic cabling stands out from traditional copper wiring because it uses light to transmit data, not electricity. This brings major advantages. Copper cables can pick up interference from power lines, machinery, or even nearby cables, leading to data loss and downtime. Fiber optics are immune to these disruptions, keeping your internet stable and secure. Unlike copper, which can be tapped without detection, fiber optic cables are extremely difficult to intercept. Any attempt to break into a fiber line immediately disrupts the signal, alerting operators and protecting sensitive data. Since fiber optics don't carry electrical current, they don't generate heat or sparks. This reduces fire hazards in office buildings, hospitals, and data centers, making fiber a safer infrastructure choice. And of course, fiber delivers blazing fast speeds and higher bandwidth, future-proofing your internet for the demands of streaming, cloud computing, and smart technology. At Comm Systems, we specialize in installing secure, high-performance fiber optic networks that give you both speed and peace of mind. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on communication technology. Also call us at 888-501-5885 or visit us at www.dvcsny.com.